purchased this 1994 Mini Monte Carlo with the full intention of restoring it back to its former glory. Unfortunately, with work commitments, it got pushed back to the back of the workshop, which we affectionately call the graveyard, and there it sat for 9 long years. As you can see, we did start on it by removing the engine and cutting away all the old body panels, but not much more really. Now, they say that every cloud has a silver lining, so due to the current situation we find ourselves in regarding the coronavirus, I, like a lot of people, am forced to stay at home. However, not to be completely beaten and sit on my hands for who knows how long, I thought I would take this negative and turn it into a positive. So I made the decision to take my work home with me and fix it there. Easy, right? We shall see. The first thing to do was to pull it out so we could fit the subframe and the suspension parts to get it rolling on its own 4 wheels. Next, we had to find all the parts. That was great fun. Once outside, we got all the suspension parts fitted and she was good to go. We loaded up both vehicles with as much as they could carry, and we were ready to set off. "30 minutes later and we were back home. The roads were pretty empty considering the lockdown, so there was no hiccups or glitches. All we had to do now was get it in the back garden. Oh, I didn't mention that there wasn't actually a physical entrance into the back garden, so the fence had to come down.
Do it slowly so it doesn't break.
Was made for it. I bet you never thought you'd look at that conservatory and see a car in there.
And that's the garden.
That's it. No, we can work around. We can have a barbecue around it.
I look like if you one of those jeeps, or like you put a big mud arch thing there. Mad Max. 100.
Cool. Job done.